Be number one, money. You know how they say ladies love money? Send it to me, guys. Send it to me if you don't love money. So one of the major reasons why I went through this is you people. You know, we always think we know what we want to be, but we really are not sure of what we want to be. And that was me. I wanted to... Hello good people, and welcome to my channel. Today's video we are going to be looking at why mobile and satellite communications engineering. So recently I graduated from university and I was studying mobile and satellite communications engineering. So in this video I just want to break it down, why mobile and satellite communications engineering. So before we look at why I chose mobile and satellite engineering, I'm going to tell you a bit about the course. So when somebody mentions mobile and satellite communications engineering, this is what you should think of. Like, these are the areas of focus. This is what you're going to look at. Like, basically that's what the whole course is about. It's all about wireless networks, network technology, mobile systems communications, and satellite communications. So mobile and satellite communication, basically you're going to, I think it basically combines electrical and electronics, telecommunications, and computer engineering into one. So it's really a broad course. I didn't know that before joining. And then what it requires for you to study mobile and satellite communications engineering. So in order to do mobile and satellite communications engineering, you need physics and math. Yeah. According to the Ugandan system, you must have principal passes in physics and math, and then an alternative could be, then it could be chemistry, business studies, computer. So those are the subjects you need in order to do mobile and satellite communication engineering. And then the other thing you need to know is the course is 4 years. Let's say two semesters per year, making it 8 semesters before you graduate. And during the 4 years, you will have about 3 projects, either in groups or normally the final is individual. Yes. So in the period of 4 years, you will do about 3 projects, have about 3 internships, alongside exams and assignments in order to graduate after your 4 years in school. Now that we basically know what mobile and satellite communications engineering is, we can now dive into why I chose this. Yeah, my baby is he really wants to be part of the video, but let's just ignore that. That's why the channel name is Engineer Mom, because anytime the baby pops in the video. So let's get used to that. So now, why I chose mobile and satellite communications engineering. Reason number 1 is childhood dreams. Like you people, ever since I was a child, I was so curious about these gadgets in the house. You know, the electronics in the house. For me, I wasn't settled. I was always wanting to know more about them. Yeah, but then even before that, I think when I was still really little, around primary 2, whenever someone asked me what do you want to be in future, I wanted to be a pilot. Guys, dreams change. So as I was growing, I started developing the love for these things, and then I started realizing in order to understand these gadgets, you need to be an engineer. That's all I knew. Though the engineers I'd seen while I was young, the people I knew as engineers were mainly the guys in construction, but I didn't want that. If that was engineering, then I didn't want to be an engineer. So reason number one that led me to this course was the fact that it has been a childhood dream. Number two is the love I had for physics and computer. Guys, love for a subject is different from performing well in the subject, I think. Because I really loved physics and computer, but those weren't my best performed subjects in school. Yes, I used to perform well in computer studies, but then I used to perform very well in history than in physics. Like, physics wasn't even among the top 5 of my best performed, but I really loved it. I used to enjoy it. Yes, so the love I had for physics and computer just reassured me now. When I was in high school, it reassured me, you know what, engineering is for you, because I really loved the physics classes. I would see everything I want to know just there, but still it didn't answer my questions about these things that I was really curious about. Number 3, I don't know why it's even number 3. It should have been number 1. Money. You know how they say ladies love money? I always ask myself, who doesn't love money? If you don't love money, just send it to me, guys. Send it to me if you don't love money. So one of the major reasons why I went for this course, like why I just said it has to be engineering, because everyone associates engineering with money, and I love money. This mom loves money, so I wanted to have a lot of money. God willing, I will have a lot of money. Yes. So the next thing was money, and then money, job opportunities. That's what I wanted. I wanted to just graduate from school, get a job, start making money, and I'm glad things are trying to work out. We thank God for that. And then another thing is, I don't know, because we're always told to read while at school, being forced to read, being beaten to read, I kind of got addicted to reading. Sorry, I'm watching over my son. So because we're beaten, like, you guys, can you imagine being beaten to read, yet you paid your fees to come to school? Like, why don't they just eat our fees and leave us? But these teachers would beat us, they would chase us to go and read, they would, put you in a classroom at night to read. So because of that, I kind of got addicted to reading. The fact that I got addicted to reading, I was always reading more and more and more. And then, I don't know, but then I think one of the people, those people that come and talk to us when we're in school about to graduate from high school, I think one of them, we had people from a flying school, and then we also had some people came, I think they were recruiting people to go and study in India, engineering stuff, and they talked about reading, and I'm like, okay, I'm on the right track. Since I love reading, engineering is for me. Okay, so where were we? You guys. We're not crying for this, no? Yeah. So all along he wanted to be in my video, you people. Mobile and satellite communications engineering is definitely the best. And then I think it's number 5 is Guys, I didn't like reading anything to do with business, and I regret it. I regret it so much, because when we got into the university, I thought now it's strictly engineering, I'm not going to meet any business. And then business came. Guys, business studies. And I thank God that the business studies followed me and attacked me at the university when I had no clue, because I dodged the business classes in high school. Because I studied physics, chemistry, math, and computer. I dodged the economics, the entrepreneurship, and it followed me at the university, and I had nowhere to go but to do it. And I'm really, really, really grateful. I'm really grateful that it followed me. So those are the reasons why I went in for engineering, and in particular mobile and satellite. So anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss on my videos every week. And also endeavor to share with your friends so they can also subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.